One time lang sila. Anak, do you also experience this? May mga customers na bumili sa'yo pero hindi na bumalik ulit? Napapaisip ka ba kung bakit one-time buyers lang sila? Let me share with you the story of Christy, who sells organic bath products. Dati, she was so focused sa pag-acquire ng new customers na nakalimutan niya na yung mga dating bumibili sa kanya. At ang nangyari, naku parang dumaan lang. Pumasok sa shop, bumili, tapos hindi na bumalik. Until one day, naisipan niyang mag-check ng old customer list. Nakita niya na may mga customers na bumili ng worth 2,000 pesos dati, pero never na uli nag-order. So, ang ginawa niya, she reached out. Simple lang. Hi, kumusta yung organic soap na na-try mo? May new variants ako, baka gusto mong i-try. And guess what happened? Yung customer na akala niya nakalimutan na siya, nag-order ulit ng worth 4,000 pesos. Turns out, hindi lang niya alam na may bagong scents at formulation si Christy. And from then on, she created a simple follow-up system. After 2 weeks, she sends a thank you message. After 1 month, she shares new stocks or if there is a new variant. Every quarter, she gives exclusive discounts sa kanyang mga loyal na customers. And ang result, 60% ng sales niya ngayon galing na sa repeat buyers. Anak, the lesson is this. It's easier and cheaper to keep existing customers than to find new ones. Kaya wag tayong mag-focus lang sa hunting for new clients or customers. Let's nurture the ones that we already have. So, create a simple follow-up system. Show them that you care beyond their purchase. And tandaan, successful businesses are built on relationships, not just transactions. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy. And if you want to avoid common business mistakes, learn more about my Business Basics for Business Owners course. Check the link in the comment section.